Students, last class we have discussed about globes and maps. In that we have discussed what are the uses of globes and maps and what are the factors necessary to create a maps. And next one point we have discussed different types of maps. Okay, in this class we are discussing one of the new lesson name is weather and climate. Now on some members some questions they arise. I think both also same, no? Why they given different names, weather and climate? Is there any changes or any difference? Yes, both also not a same word or same meaningful words, both also different. That means now in this class we are discussing about what is meant by weather and what is meant by climate. First of all, we are studying in weathers. First we want to know what is meant by weather. Weather means we are studying our atmosphere. Atmosphere means our environment. What are the things or what are the factors we are seeing in around the area. In that about only we are studying in a particular place. We are studying our environment in particular place. We are not taking all place, we are taking any one place. For example, Kadabigere means only Kadabigere, Espete only Espete, Unsadely only Unsadely. And what we are studying, that will not take for 6 months or 1 year, no. In these conditions we are studying only particular short time, only short time. The duration is very short. Okay, in this method what we are studying, this is the given name as a weather. Means now we understood what is meant by weather. Weather means what we are seeing our environment, what are the factors we are seeing, that and all we are discussing in a particular place in a short time. This is called as a weather. Now we want to know, that means whether each place by place is different, not a same. Now we want to another question. What are the factors we are studying in weather? Now some of the questions, some of the members they arise a question. What are the factors we are studying in weather? Okay, I'll say now one by one. First one is temperature. In any one place we are taking that particular place and we are studying about in that particular place about the temperature. A morning how much? 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Is there variation? Yes, no? Morning 10 o'clock how much of temperature? We can see that only same temperature in 2 o'clock? No. We can see difference. Okay, we are studying about the temperature in a short time in a particular place. The second one is humidity. Humidity means water content in our environment or air. These also we are studying. Oh, now how much of air, water content or humidity is there in our environment, or 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. How much is there? Variations. These also we are discussing in weather. Next one, air pressure, the speed of air or the pressures of air. Morning session we can see the air pressure is very high, but in afternoon the pressure is become very low because of temperature. These are the factors also we are studying. Next one, winds. We are differentiating Unsadely, Espete and Kadabigere. Only particular place. How much of speed winds now is going on? Or morning how much of speed winds? Now afternoon or evening. Same that like only rainfall also. These are the factors we are studying in a particular place and a short time, short period, that only a small time we are studying. These are the factors: temperature, humidity, air pressures, winds, last one rainfall. These are the factors we are studying in this weather. Okay, next one they are given weather. What we are thinking weather, what we are thought, that like of condition not there. That only they are given name as a unpredictable and change frequently. We cannot imagine it. Oh, morning, this much of climate condition. Afternoon, I think this much. No, so much of variations. Morning, how much of temperature came, that much we cannot see in 12 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. Same that type only rains or winds also. Morning, how much we are seeing winds or rain, if they came, that much of rains we cannot see in afternoon or evening time. Means there is so much of variations. We cannot find out this much only in afternoon, this much only coming evening. No, we cannot find out. And this is day by day also so much of difference. Today how much of rain came, today also that much only not coming in that particular place. For example, SPT we are taken. For example, how much morning rain came, that much only next day also coming. No, there is a variation. Weather means that is not the same. Time by time, day by day, we can see the changes. Okay, next, now we understood what is meant by weather. What are the factors we are studying in weather? Okay, second one important point we are studying. Second one points in your chapter, that is climate. Climate also one of the important factor. Here also we are studying our environment, means our atmosphere. What we are studying atmosphere, that is average of weather. What we study in weather, that is average, we are given name as a climate. Means here we are not taking any one particular small place, we are taking any one region. For example, Kadabagere means only Kadabagere, Chikmagaluru or Karnataka means total overall Karnataka. India, overall India. Or any one continent, overall continent. So we are taking not a small place, we are taking is a regions, means big place. And I already said weather, what we are studying weather, that is a short time. But climate condition, what we are studying, that is a long period, not a short time. What we are studying, that one want to study about, that one means we want to take long period. So in this based we can see definition about climate. Now you understood what is meant by climate. Climate means climate is the average of weather. And what we are studying here, we are studying about the regions, is big place, and we are taking a long period. Okay, now we can see in that weathers, we can see each region also we cannot see same climate conditions. We can different here also. 1 second. For example, India, in this time, in this session, now we have got rainy season. Yes, no? Now we are getting rainy season. But European continent, in that region, now there is no rain. Otherwise, we are coming equatorial zone. There is no any season, only one season we can see, that is summer season. There is no season. Or there is no climate condition. Only one climate condition, that is summer season. There is no other factors. So we are taking here a long region and we are discussing about long period. Okay, in that based changing of temperature, we can see region by region different types of seasons. We cannot see throughout here any one climate condition. For example, we are taking our our India. Here also we can see different types of seasons. There is no any one seasons. We can see different types of seasons. Okay, in that based we can see they divided as our India's climate condition as 4 types. What I said, they discussing about one of the big region and they are studying a long period. In that based, Indian who are studying about our environment or our climate condition, they all are divided our climate condition as 4 types. The first one is the hot and dry seasons. We are calling this one as a summer season. Okay, period. Where to where we can see this one? March to May. The second one, they are given the rainy season. Now present, what you are now getting the climate condition, this is rainy season. This one we can see June to September. Third one, the returning monsoon. This one we can see the month of October to November. Next, last one, the cold season. This one we can see from the month of December to February. That means now you understood how much of climate condition we are facing or we are getting in India. There are 4 types of climate condition. One is summer season. That only they are given name as a hot and dry season. Second one, monsoon season or rainy season. Third one they given name as a returning monsoon season. Last one, cold season. In the base of study of climate conditions. Okay, dear students, now we understood what is meant by climate and what is meant by weather and types of climate. Next class we can discuss about other extra points about climate and types of climates. These are the points we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you. Bye.